Hey YouTube, this is Sharp and Shiny here, coming at you with my first knife video, and this is a collection of all my fixed blades. First up is my Becker BK-11. This guy right here is my K-Bar last ditch neck knife or boot knife. This is my Ontario SP1 Marine. This is my Cold Steel GI Tanto, wrapped in black paracord on the handle. This is my Gerber Prodigy Tanto, partially serrated edge. This guy right here is the Kershaw Bear Hunter 2. Next up is the Smith & Wesson HRT Dagger style blade. This is the Mora Clipper Scandi grind. This is one of my first fixed blades, the Gerber Profile. This is my Boker Trigonaut Boker Plus. This is the Schrade Old Timer Sharp Finger. Up first is my Boker Magnum Smoothie. Next is the Kershaw Clash. This is the Byrd Crossbill, partially serrated edge. This is the Gerber Bear Grylls folder, partially serrated edge as well. Next up is the Buck Bantam with the orange camo handle, and this might be my favorite blade so far, my favorite folder anyway. It's the Spyderco Tenacious with black G10 handles. And last is my CRKT Hammond Cruiser, the desert tan handles.